Welcome to Spanish Quiz Academy. 40 objects, 7 seconds each. Fork. What's the answer?
Tenedor.
Shirt. Do you know it?
Camisa.
Clock. What's the word?
Reloj.
Backpack. Pick the right one.
Mochila.
Skirt. What's your answer?
Falda.
Cap. Can you get this one?
Gorra.
Spoon. Which one is correct?
Cuchara.
Pencil. What do you think?
Lápiz.
Frying pan. Choose the right word.
Sartén.
Bed. What's your answer?
Cama.
Ball. Do you know it?
Pelota.
Table. Pick the right one.
Mesa.
Eraser. What's the answer?
Goma.
Cushion. Can you name it?
Cojín.
Water. Which one is right?
Agua.
Brush. What do you think?
Cepillo.
Chair. Pick the correct word.
Silla.
Dress. Do you know it?
Vestido.
Shoes. What's the answer?
Zapatos.
Mirror. Choose carefully.
Espejo.
Belt. Can you get it right?
Cinturón.
Scarf. What do you think?
Bufanda.
Pen. Which one is correct?
Bolígrafo.
Screw. Pick the right word.
Tornillo.
Milk. What's the answer?
Leche.
Cup. Do you know it?
Taza.
Keys. Choose the correct one.
Llaves.
Knife. What do you think?
Cuchillo.
Notebook. What's the answer?
Cuaderno.
Sharpener. Can you name it?
Sacapuntas.
Scissors. Pick the right word.
Tijeras.
Jeans. What's your answer?
Vaqueros.
Socks. Do you know it?
Calcetines.
Washing machine. Choose carefully.
Lavadora.
Wardrobe. What's the answer?
Armario.
Desk. Pick the right one.
Escritorio.
Charger. Can you get it right?
Cargador.
Wall. Can you get it right?
Pared.
Shower. What's the answer?
Ducha.
Door. Choose the correct word.
Puerta.